First off, it's a general computing degree. It's a BSc in computing with a specialism in smart technologies. So the basic structure of the course, it's a 4-year course. We have a common first year which allows people to move from one course to the other if they find their strengths lie in another specialism. We also have work placement in year 3 for 3 to 5 months, which is great in terms of securing employment on graduation. And we have a lot of industry input to our projects and our subjects. So in year 3 and 4, the projects can be linked to work placements, they can be linked to industry problems, and they're very practical. They give students an opportunity to pull a lot of the subjects they've learned together to solve problems with technology. We place a great emphasis on the practical elements of our courses in computing at ATU Sligo. A lot of the teaching, lecturing staff would have come from industry, so have a lot of practical experience themselves, and the way their courses are structured, they'll have theory elements obviously, but it's very hands-on and in the labs. We feel that's the best way to prepare people for the workplace. The term that's used for smart technology sometimes is Internet of Things. They're really describing the same thing, and what that's about is connecting devices together over the internet. People are familiar with sensors in cars, sending information to the driver, but taking that a step further, these sensors would be sending information to garages, to car manufacturers, letting them know of faults or potential faults, and maybe improving safety in doing that. This is a course for people who like technology, are interested in technology and what can be achieved with technology. Because it's quite practical, it would suit students who like to sort of roll up their sleeves. We're talking about connecting devices together, so in our labs you'll be sort of taking electronics devices, but putting some computer code on them, getting them to communicate together. So if you like that sort of practical, hands-on, problem-solving type of thing, this course would suit you. People sometimes ask, do I need to be good at maths to do computing? And I don't think that's necessarily the case. It's more about, do you like to solve problems? Do you like to figure things out?